How to get a custom crosshair in Fortnite. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get a custom crosshair in Fortnite PS4. Now the thing is, Fortnite on PS4 does not officially support fully custom crosshairs, but you can still tweak the settings to adjust your reticle. For this, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the settings menu. In order to do so, start by opening the settings menu in Fortnite. Next thing you want to do is find the reticle option. For this, look for the reticle option in the settings. Now you want to customize your reticle here. To customize, you can change the color and opacity of your reticle. Make sure that these match your preferences. Now, by doing this, it allows for some level of customization. Now, for a truly custom crosshair, you would need third-party software or mods, but these are not recommended as they can lead to account bans. So while full customization isn't available on PS4, you can still tweak these settings to personalize your gameplay experience. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.